Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make my favorite carne con chile. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Alright guys, so first we're going to begin by seasoning our meat. I'm using 4 pounds of skirt steak that I cut into strips. To that I'm going to be seasoning with 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, and a little bit of flour. So we're just going to sprinkle it all over our meat. Okay, so just make sure that you mix it all around. Okay, so once we have our meat, we're going to set it to the side so we can make our salsa. To a small saucepan, I'm going to be adding 2 tomatillos, 3 Roma tomatoes, 1 chile serrano, and 5 chile puya. Depending on how spicy you want your salsa, then it depends on how many chiles you're going to add. We're just going to cover them with water, set it on high heat, and bring it to a boil. And once it comes to a full boil, we're going to transfer it all to our blender cup. Okay, so now we can get ready to make our sauce. To a blender cup, we're also going to add 2 garlic cloves, 2 teaspoons of chicken or beef bouillon, half a cup of el pato tomato sauce, and 1.5 cups of water. Okay, so now we're just going to be blending into smooth. Okay, and once we have our sauce, now we can get ready to make our chile con carne. I'm going to be adding a little bit of oil to my skillet. Set it over medium-high heat and allow it to heat up. Okay, and once hot, we're going to add half an onion, 1 red bell pepper, and 1 green bell pepper. We're going to be sauteing for a couple minutes. Okay, and after a couple minutes, I'm just going to move my vegetables to the side and add the meat. Okay, now we're just going to mix it all together and allow the meat to brown. Okay, and once our meat has browned, we're going to add our sauce. Going to be adding a little more water. So just mix it and allow it to come to a full simmer. So now I'm just going to reduce the heat to medium-low and allow it to continue simmering for 15 minutes. Alrighty guys, and after 15 minutes, check the meat and make sure that it is fully cooked and it is nice and tender. So it should just fall apart super easy. So this is ready, so I'm just going to turn it off and get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and here I'm just going to serve it with a side of rice and beans and of course some flour tortillas. Now we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. It's so delicious, and of course, you know, if you want to substitute the bell peppers for some potatoes, you can always do that. Regardless, it's honestly the best. So I am so ready. Got my tortilla. Getting my carnita. And of course, you know, if you want it more spicy, you can always add more chiles. But this right here is super enjoyable. If you have little ones, they'll like it too. So cheers and enjoy. The chile, the best. The meat, it's so tender, so flavorful. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make my super easy and delicious carne con chile. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.